These shape transitions will work with Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use these transitions. Here in Premiere Pro, first, we are going to install transition templates. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here and select Manage Additional Folders. A new window will pop up. Click on Add. Select the downloaded and extracted folder. Here all transition templates are installed. Here I have already taken the 4K sequence. Let's place images or videos on the timeline. Now place any transition template on a timeline. You can change color from here. To adjust transition duration, right-click on the template. Click on Speed Duration. Here increase speed to make it fast. To use this transition in Full HD sequence, select Template, go to the Effects Control panel and change Scale to 50%. That's it. Thanks for watching.